my name is Anna Cuccia and I'm going to be delivering a webinar for TEFL. It is about teaching young learners, which I've done quite a lot over the course of my life. I know that people have very mixed feelings about this. Some people love it, some people are terrified by the idea. So we're going to really look at what makes for great young learner teaching. Most of that is in the preparation, and there's also quite a lot of things you can do in your mindset. So thinking about practical ideas and thinking a little bit about the theory of motivation and what makes people engaged in the classroom, how you can sustain that, some of the tools for doing that. We would suggest also that maybe you take some notes, watch the recording, maybe play the recording back as well, pause it, think how that can be applicable to your circumstances, and what you can do to make your own learning and teaching much more effective, much better, and to get those young people in front of you really excited about English. And maybe you'll end up, if you didn't like teaching children, at the end of it, you'll find that you actually prefer teaching kids to adults.